guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can print the map into Google Maps. So we have to start from the opening the Google Maps and choose the area that you want to print. You can also print a road. Now just make a screenshot, open it in the gallery, now just go to the 3-dot icon and slide to the right and look print. Now just select the printer, add user settings to your needs and tap print. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.